Argent, prior to Plex, used to operate on a hot board, and that was basically a dry erase board. We would list all the hot jobs for that particular day that needed to ship, and that's how we operated the business. We weren't able to get that real-time data. It was, if we manufactured on Monday, we generally weren't able to get the reports and data until Tuesday earliest. Kind of too late to go back and try to diagnose what the issue was. With Plex, it's real-time data, and it gives us an opportunity to react very quickly. You're able to troubleshoot issues as they happen versus the next day or even thereafter.
Argent decided to go from a reactive to a proactive company. Plex has helped us do that by allowing us a better visual of where we're at as a company. It's easier for me to see what's coming up than it was waiting for a paper folder to suddenly be created and handed to me.
It gives us a tool to work with to make real positive impact in the plant.